What is going on, everybody? It is a beautiful morning down here at KRS. The Roadster Show is now just 2 weeks away. We will have 3 cars in it. Right now, we're going to go and check up on the Vega, the Unibody, and the Pandemic 40. I know you guys want to see the color of the paint. Can't yet on the 40. That will be revealed at the Roadster Show, but let's go and check up on the Vega and the Unibody. Alright guys, we are here at Jim's Auto Upholstery to check up on the Vega. Let's head inside and see what they got. Alright guys, we are down here at Jim's Auto Upholstery checking up on the Vega. These guys have been going at it. Nathan showed me these really cool little pieces here that have stitches that match the louvers on the outside. That is awesome. The Speedway lights, looks like they're getting their panels, everything lined up. I'm not an interior guru, so I really couldn't tell you what they're doing. But we got our speaker box. We'll have this thing wrapped up here before the Roadster Show. I know these guys are going to do a fantastic job on it. Anything that's giving you a headache on the car yet?
No.
Not too bad, huh?
There's a fair amount of work to do, but
the classics are kind of nice in that they're simple.
very straightforward. The panels are kind of where I come from with race trucks down in Mexico, so it's nothing I haven't done before.
There you go, man.
It's like wrapping them in leather. It's fun.
Yeah, I can imagine. Well, cannot wait to see this thing down at the Roadster Show finished. 2 weeks away. You think you got it, huh?
I'm not worried.
That's what I like to hear. All right. We'll head on out of here and we'll check up on the Unibody over at Sean's. Alright guys, we are just leaving Jim's Auto Upholstery. The Vega looks awesome. I can't wait to see it done. Now let's head over to Sean's. Alright you guys, we are down here at Regenerated Rides to check up on the Unibody and say hi to Sean. It's his birthday, by the way, so let's go find him. Where's Sean? There he is. Happy birthday, buddy.
Oh, thanks.
Happy
birthday. Thanks.
It is.
Alrighty, I'll check with you later. See you, man.
Got Pennington's 56. Getting the works. All right, now let's go for what we really came for. Let's go see the Unibody. All right, guys, here she is, the Unibody. We got it back from Ron Magnus down in California for interior. I'm not gonna sneak peek that because we haven't really shown anyone that yet. You'll have to come see it at the Roadster Show. But me, Junior, Bryce, and Patrick were here last week doing the bed strips. These things look awesome. They were a pain in the butt to line out, but I'm glad that it worked out because they look stellar. We got our taillight bezels in, so this thing is shaping up nicely. You can also see this one at our booth. Oh, I want to show you guys the interior, but I can't. All right, hold on. I'll just show you the gauges. That's all you're getting. Hell yeah, man. You excited for the Roadster Show, dude? I'm excited for the Roadster Show. I cannot wait for everyone else to see this thing in person. It is one gorgeous truck. So, we'll head on back to the shop. We'll give you guys a good look over of the 40, and then we will catch you guys at the Roadster Show. Alright guys, and lastly we have the 40, but you know the rules, we gotta take it to black and white. So this will also be at the Roadster Show. We will be unveiling the full paint job and color scheme there. You'll have to stop by to see it. No leaks until then. But we've got Brent who came by and did some really cool pinstriping on a couple of areas that we thought were just lacking in a little bit of excitement. You know, we're getting really technical with this thing. Yeah. Let you guys check out that interior. But those will be rounding out the 3 builds we'll have at the Roadster Show March 12th to the 14th. Stop by, check us out, say hi. We'll catch you guys then.